Hello everyone, welcome to myitreturn.com. Let's start this video with knowing what is ITR-V or the Acknowledgement Form. ITR-V or the Acknowledgement Form is a single-page document that is received when an ITR is filed online without using a digital signature. ITR-V is provided by the Income Tax Department to verify the authenticity of the income tax returns and is sent by email to the taxpayer. Taxpayers can also download a copy of ITR-V from the Income Tax e-filing website. So now, let's learn how to download the ITR-V from the Income Tax portal. From the dashboard, hover your cursor over e-file, go to the Income Tax returns and click on the View File Returns. Now, click on the Download Receipt to download the ITR-V for the particular assessment year. I hope this video helps. For feedback and query, feel free to contact us. Thank you.